to present for today. Okay, actually my name is Normi Liana binti Shah Hairi. I'm a Bachelor of Agricultural and Biosystem Engineering from Faculty of Engineering, University Putra Malaysia, Serdang, Selangor, Malaysia. Okay, this is an outline for my presentation today. Since I'm a first time presenter, so I would like to present my personal details, a bit about Malaysia and my University Putra Malaysia. My faculty and my department will be presented by my friends, and my study course, industrial training expectation, research and reference. Sorry. Okay, this is my personal details. My name is Normi Liana binti Shah Hairi. You can call me Normi. My date of birth is 15 June 1990. My hometown is Taipei, Perak, Malaysia. My favorite place is my own home. And my favorite food is any spicy food, and hobby listening to music. My ambition is I want to become a successful engineer. My values, trust and commitment. I'm very inspired and motivated by society. And this is my email, contact email email_hairi90@yahoo.com. Okay, since I come from Malaysia, I will introduce a bit of Malaysia. As you know, Malaysia is at Southeast Asia. Malaysia has many races and religions. We have Malays, Indians and Chinese and many other ethnic groups live together in peace and harmony. As you can see the pictures, Hari Raya Aidilfitri, Chinese New Year, Deepavali and other festivals is celebrating in our country. So we are very enjoying celebrating the festival. Next, this is some of the beautiful places in my country. You can see a view of Kuala Lumpur, Putrajaya Mosque, Pulau Tioman, Pulau Langkawi there got huge eagle monuments there, and view of Putrajaya. Taman Tasik Taipei is my hometown, and Taman in Malaysia and Calis Castle. Okay, I come from University Putra Malaysia. University Putra Malaysia, formerly before this known as University of Agriculture Malaysia, was founded in 1971, and through it is actually a merger of Faculty of Agriculture, University Malaya and Agriculture College in Serdang. And these are some of the pictures around my university. Okay, next, what is Agriculture and Biosystem Engineering? As I Bachelor in Agriculture and Biosystem Engineering, Agriculture and Biosystem Engineering is a discipline of engineering that integrates the fundamental of science and engineering for the enhancement of agriculture and food production, energy and environment. It actually covers mechanization, automation, bioprocess and environment, soil and water resources, bioinformation system. Okay, this is a subject that I think that related to basic of engineering that I have taken, and some I will be take for next semester. This is a subject such as hydraulic, machine design, fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, structural design. We learn how to design a building. Then strength of materials, engineering mechanics, engineering statistics, principle of heat transfer. Thermal and fluid machines, engineering mathematics, workshop, management and practice, engineering and society. I will take next semester. Then this is subjects that I think related to imaging and bioinformation. We have learned computer programming. I use a C programming software, and computer-aided engineering drafting. We use Autodesk Inventor software to design a machine. Then electrical electronic technology, geographical information system technology, we learn by using the ArcGIS software. Then biological system instrumentation engineering, control system engineering, remote sensing application and global navigation satellite system. I will learn it at my next year, next sem. Then this is subject that related to agriculture. Soil engineering, crop production system, plantation machinery. We are given chance to drive a tractor by our own, and also we have learned to plant our crops like corns and okra by ourselves. So then, next subject is geomatics engineering, irrigation and drainage engineering. We learn how to design a irrigation system. And next is engineering properties of agricultural material, livestock and aquaculture production system. And next three, we will going to learn in next semester agriculture process engineering, biosystem environment, and agricultural operation. Okay, now I'm having industrial training, and I will take a final year project in next semester. This 10 weeks industrial training is actually very compulsory for me and my friends because it's a requirement for me to graduate in Bachelor of Engineering. This training actually provides exposure for students to apply theory and knowledge related studies. Then I'm going to have a final year project next semester. This is also compulsory for me to graduate Bachelor Engineering. In that course, students are able to plan and execute the desired project. Okay, I'm come here to Kyoto actually. My expectation, I want to take the opportunities to learn and having knowledge transfer from you all, since you are from PhD student, master student. I think you all can share with us anything that you think you can share. Then I want to expose with few subjects in advance as early preparation for my final year project and entrepreneurship application. And then this industrial training also to improve students' soft skill and to nurture their creativity through activities and interaction with university community. And as now, I want to strengthen English proficiency in the presentation. This is expectation right now. Okay, actually my country have a current research about quality control of paddy rice using thermal image processing. In my final year project, maybe I and my friend were involved in this type of research. So I think this have some related to machine vision group, right? Image processing. So after this, I want to learn from you all about your research, maybe so you can give us overview about what is image processing. Okay, next. This is actually related research that made my supervisor. Actually, I'm not included in any these two research. I'm just explain you briefly because I think it's quite related to what I'm going to do for my final year project. First is chocolate mango sweetness determination using ACC color. This is by Dr. Siti Karanisa Bejo, my future supervisor, and Shahidah Kamaluddin. And second, digital image processing for automatic metal grading. So I just want to explain briefly about this first research. Okay, chocolate mango sweetness determination using HCC under space. Consumers is actually concerned about fruits and vegetables, right? So in this research, my future supervisor, has determined the capability of HCC color space to determine the chocolate mango sweetness. The performance was evaluated based on standard deviation, mean square, and values of Gaussian correlation. Then, as you see, 180 mangoes image has been used in this research. Then, as you can see here, this is index number and sweetness range that get from FAMA. FAMA is a Federal Agriculture Marketing Authority of Malaysia. This is given by FAMA. So she already just determined by looking at the index number. Okay, from the HCC color space, got hue, saturation, and brightness. Then she have analysis and they come up with the conclusion that hue have higher correlation, that is 92% of correlation between sweetness and hue. So she will use sweetness to determine. She will use hue to determine the sweetness. Okay, next, then she come up with one equation that using hue. H is the average hue calculated within 200 cm times 200 cm window image. And the image has been used to test the model, and when she used the equation, to come up with the result and level of measured sweetness and level of predicted sweetness, you can see that the result is 100%, which that it is proof that the sweetness can be determined by HCC color space. Then you can see the 100%. For index 2 is also 100%, but for index 3 is 87. I'm not quite sure why it is lower. You can ask, maybe you can ask her. But it's actually 87% is quite higher. Next, then she come up with the graphical user interface. This graphical user interface, just load the image load the image here, then you can press here and you can see that predicted sweetness and what is the level, either 1 or 2 or 3 index. So if you have any question about this research, you can ask him, she, which is Dr. Siti Karuna Sabejo, awarded gold medal at PRPI and gold medal Malaysian Technology Expo. This is a contact email address if you have any question about the research, mango research just now. So I think that's all from me. Thank you. Any questions?
The project is not your project. It's because you asked us to contest with the person. Is this you are going to do this project or?
No, actually I will involve in rest. I'm not sure because my project will be given, the title will be given by my supervisor. So I will involve in this quality control thermal image processing. I just give this tell you about this research because it's quite related to my final project. It's about image processing. So I'm not quite know about the what she done. It's just you have a contact. You can just by email.
But I think the rice image and the mango image very different.
You just cut from Google. Just take it. Do you have any other questions?
Yeah, when you use the chocolate mango as sample with different level, and it develops at different stage or same stage?
I'm not quite sure because this is not made of me. So maybe because since it just determines the sweetness, maybe it can be any stage of mango. It just needs the sweetness, not the stage. You can try using the interface even.
What about the image acquisition? Right after harvesting, or
Maybe it depends.
ripening process?
Maybe it depends when you want to check the image, because if you just pluck from maybe sweetness is really different. I don't know. Maybe for the certain times the sweetness, when they do break ready, maybe you want to know the sweetness. Maybe at that time she just observe by using it.
It's kind of chocolate name.
Yeah, it's scientific name of Chocana mango. Chocana mango is actually very famous in Malaysia.
So from yes, mango has different type from mature and from immature to mature, from green to yellow.
You just can insert the image, then the interface will give you, it will determine for you the level of the sweetness. It's no matter what kind, what stage of your mango, what kind of your mango spell.
Yes. I found your activities and curriculum very similar to ours. Vision and basically research project and curriculum also this
even livestock and aquaculture products. What kind of aquaculture production system you have? Fish. What kind of product? Is that the cage?
Yeah, that is fish. I take from my university, got take there and fish there.
Then what kind of project? What kind of product?
I'm not sure what
You're not
the
Is that the course?
the course is for general know that how to take care of the fish and any other
Just
the
some
basic
project? Research project or
lifestyle and aquaculture
courses? Courses.
which course?
Yeah, that course. Livestock and aquaculture production system. Is that a course?
There is subject or course.
What kind of thing you learn from that course? What kind of technology you learn from that course?
We just have our lecture. Just like that, not project.
Project. Research project.
In this subject, we just learn in lecture. My lecturer just given explanation about what is how to take care of fish and what type of plantation have in Malaysia.
No, not so many times. Just once or twice you learn briefly. Then what kind of project you are interested in? This level.
I'm really interested in anything that related to this project, final research, because I'm going to do my final project of something that related to English processing. So I think I would like, after this, I would like to be involved in any mission group here. So because here mission group also about English processing, right? So I think maybe I would like to more knowledge from
Maybe materials project.
yeah. Also about money.
There are many messenger projects. Anyone else? Thank you very much.
Okay.